Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this session, I will provide my presentation about my topic is titled Indonesian Millennial Awareness to Privacy and Personal Data Protection on the Internet. Let me introduce myself first. My name is Muhammad Usmanur, currently working as a lecturer in the Record and Archive Management Program and Vocational Education Program in Universitas Indonesia. My mainly interest research topic was in privacy, record electronics, information governance, and personal data protection. I published several articles on both on the National Accreditation Journal and also in the international journal. Let's move to the introduction, what I want to say in this presentation. As we know, internet user in Indonesia has a massive proportion. It's all about maybe 87% to access the internet for social media. Social media made it so easy to exchange the information over the globe. We could also easily exchange the information between each others, including personal information in our social media. And then protect privacy and personal data on the internet is a fundamental things that we must ensure. This is a fundamental things that we must to protect our data in social media. The result of the previous study says that personal data is essential to be recognized and protected by the millennials, while the others say because the millennials tend to be prone to share their information on the internet, but the reality is that many millennials are really concerned about their personal data on the internet because of them. Privacy protection on the internet should be put it as a right to everyone. We can protect the information to the several peoples of several groups or communities, but all of the people who actually use the internet and actually all of humanity. In this section, I will talk about my research question. I divided as a three part. The first one is I want to explore the awareness of Indonesian millennial related to protect their privacy and personal data, and then I want to intend to provide a clearer picture of the understanding and response of Indonesian millennial to the protection of their privacy and personal data. And last, what kind of personal data is the most of concerns for the millennials? I want to explain my literature that I used in my research. The first one is about privacy. Privacy is a mechanism that regulates boundaries between you and the others, and this limit can be differ depending on the role being carried out by the other's individual. It says about Stephen et al. And UNESCO and on the press release said relation to internet usage, information privacy, and communication privacy are the most related things. So the privacy in our modern world has two dimensions. The first, problem related to one identity, and the second, how personal information handled by the others who keep our personal information. And then protection of the privacy has evolved to concerning issues related to collection, use, and dissemination of personal data in our informational systems. And then intrusion of privacy data that become a concern when the browsing on the internet, especially. After that, until now, the most extensive privacy law is the General Data Protection Regulation or GDPR. GDPR applies to every European member since 2018 and becomes a standard to global because it has the most extensive use and extensive law about protection data. On the other hand, in Indonesia Act for Personal Data Protection still being drafted until now. It's most about 2 years or 3 years until now. It's still being drafted. Let's move to the reports. In the method that I use in this research, I use a quantitative approach, and variable used in this study I divided to 3 dimensions, including personal data that is concerned, internet behavior related to privacy and personal data, and the response of privacy invasion on the internet. And I want to talk about the result of my research. First of all, I want to talk about the respondent profile. I collected more about 164 millennials from many capital cities in Indonesia such as Jakarta, Bandung, Surabaya, Medan, and Makassar. All of them, the internet consumption of them are very high, and more of 98% of them use a chatting application every day, like WhatsApp, Line, and so on. And almost of respondents access the internet every day. So millennials using the internet so extensively in their daily life. And then move on to the personal data that is concerned by the millennials. The millennials are really concerned most about financial statement information, about how much money in their bank account, biometric data such as face recognition, retina recognition, and then fingerprint reader, and so on. And the last is NIN data or NIK, nomor induk kependudukan. There is a KTP number or identity number, national identity number data. That phenomenon shows that in general, millennials are aware of what personal data must be protected. And the other hand, moreover, sensitive matters such as financial statement, biometric data, and sexual life are the things that millennials want to protect the most. Because I think, me as a research analyze is really related to their daily lives. And then move to the other terms, the response of privacy invasion on the internet. Let's say Indonesian millennials trust themselves more the government in terms of protecting personal data. I think it's really related because in Indonesia, we don't have yet any policies that say that they cover the personal data information protection. And the fact of not all the victims of hacking now that they are being hacked and have their privacy violated. Many the victim of the violated hack or many hacking victim, many hacked victim is doesn't know she or he is become a victim. And then individuals with a high level concern for their personal data will tend to refuse to participate in activities that require complete personal data. Moreover, millennials believe that they can protect their personal data on the internet will be useless if it is not accompanied by technical ability. Maybe the technical ability that is term about how much he can setting, how much he can know the internet so well, so they can protect themselves on the internet with their capabilities. And the discussion moved to the last one, internet behavior related to privacy at the personal data. In my research shows, most millennials are worried that there will be information about themselves that they have deleted from the internet show up in the future, because we already know there's no deleted things on the internet. There will be sometimes it will be show up on the next day on the future because someone already downloaded it. And then millennials is concerned on social media privacy setting. Like we usually put our Instagram account on the private mode and the Twitter on the private mode and so on. So, because a social media feature that help millennials to protect their privacy is a private account mode. I think that's makes most of the millennials feel more safer when he use social media. Millennials also concern cookie setting on the website when they do sign up. Let me conclude this presentation. Millennials' behavior on the internet related to personal data shows that millennials are concerned and cautious when using the internet. And in terms to protect their personal data on the internet, millennials more trust in their own abilities than relying on the government. This condition or this phenomenon indicates the need for a legal standing such as act and laws related to the protection of personal data from the government. If you have any question, let me know so we can go to the next part is a discussion session. Thank you very much for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.